Hi, Christina.
Hi.
Are you
I'm
happy?
having fun.
Happy?
I'm having fun in Manhattan Beach by the pier in the water. It's a beautiful sunny day, a little chilly, but it's all good. Good. The first thing to do in Hermosa Beach is go to the beach or eat at one of the restaurants before you are going on the pier. Another thing in Hermosa Beach is go shopping for souvenirs. And this Istanbul home, it looks like it with a lamp. So cute. So cute in here for the sunset. If I go walk on the right, I'm going to Santa Monica Pier. On the back is all the restaurants and stores and bars. And over there, far away, it's Redondo Pier. This is the view from the pier in Hermosa Beach. It's a beautiful sunset behind me. And the pier is a little bit chilly, but it's not too cold. And it's a lot of activities you can do here. It's very nice. You can rent a bicycle, you can go in the water, you can go on the beach, you can run, you can walk, you can do a lot of stuff. And look at the sunset. Another things to do in Hermosa Beach is surfing. So many fishermen. Such a cool place to come see them. I'm not good at fishing, so I just come here to see the fishermen. And here's my mom looking at the fishermen. We have partial ocean view from our balcony and I can't wait to go to the ocean. So let's go. Here we are at Farmers Market in Manhattan Beach, Tuesday between 1 and 3. And they have fruits, they have artisan place, they have cakes. It's one of the things you do if you're coming to Hermosa and Manhattan Beach. There is the crepes stand, the farmers market. Where are you?
Manhattan Beach.
It's a beautiful day here, Southern California, and we're going to walk the beach. Beautiful morning in Manhattan Beach by the pier. Here's the surfers. People are walking on the pier. Some fishermen. Some people, they just stay at the beach. You can see the Hermosa Pier from here.
Hermosa Beach. Christina is walking. Hi, Christina.
Hi.
Are you
I'm
happy?
having fun.
Happy?
I'm having fun in Manhattan Beach by the pier in the water. It's a beautiful sunny day, a little chilly, but it's all good. Good.
Yeah, I've been missing your skin and mine, and I've been thinking about you lately, lately. So baby, we are running out of time. Can I call you mine now?
Hermosa Beach or Manhattan Beach or Redondo Beach. They are next to each other and you can walk from one to the other. So right now we are walking from Manhattan Pier to Hermosa Beach Pier.
Baby, tu cuerpo me extraña a mí. Keep dreaming of me. I keep on dreaming about you. So baby, we are running out of time. Déjate llevar now. Maybe we can go right now. I felt so lost, but now I'm found. Let's run away and do that. I'll show you.
Pier is so good. I like Manhattan Pier, but in Hermosa Beach is more fishermen's than here, so I like that. And another beautiful sunset in Hermosa Beach. People are playing volleyball. Very fun night. I like how the sunset looks on the windows. So pretty.
I felt so lost, but now I'm found. Let's run away and do that.
Such beautiful homes. And our houses have a Manhattan Beach Botanical Garden where they say the public is welcome, so let's go. The botanical garden is small, but it's cute. Many ducks, so cute. This little man-made lake in the park. I find the lighthouse too over there. Some people are cutting the trees, so sorry for the noise. But if it wasn't for them, it would be very, very peaceful in here. One thing to do in Manhattan Beach is come to see the aquarium on the end of the pier. Now I know what's going on. Yesterday a guy caught a big fish and somebody probably told him to throw it away, and he did. And now I see it was probably a white shark because it's illegal to catch it. We came to the aquarium on Wednesday and it's closed. Wah, wah. Around the aquarium, of course, like all the other piers, are people fishing. And this was the fisherman yesterday who caught it. Yesterday catching a big fish. What was it? Was it a shark? So why didn't you keep it? But is that fish good to eat? If you would keep it, you would eat it? I saw it. I was like impressed with your catch, and then you throw it away. So many nets and so many places you can go play volleyball. And the bicycle, they have this all the way to Redondo Beach. How soft the sand is. Gonna make a heart. Here is my heart. My heart belongs to the ocean. California 2021. Manhattan Beach, Redondo Beach, Hermosa Beach. Beautiful place. Good morning from Redondo Beach Pier. Let's go to the farmer's market. That's is where they keep the farmers market at Redondo Beach. And a few days ago we went to Manhattan Farmers Market, and they have such a good fruits, so we have to stop and go buy some more fruits. Breads, nuts. The fruits look so good. We got our fruit, and let's see the veggies now. They have a lot of products. I like it. I like this farmers market. My trip in Southern California is getting to the end. So why do I recommend this place? Because it's beautiful. It's got so much to things and do here. Bicycle, running, swimming, fishing, a lot of stuff for everybody. My favorite things to do is going to the beach. So I recommend Redondo Beach, Hermosa Beach, and Manhattan Beach. They are all next to each other, like 1 mile between them. If you didn't subscribe to my channel, please do so. And give me a like. 1001 things to do in Southern California. I don't have 1,000 things to do, but going to the beach and watching the sunset is my favorite things to do in California. So this is Redondo Pier. I always like this, it's very pretty. And a little windy today, but it's still cool to walk if you have clothes on. So make sure if you come in October, you dress up warmly. And now we are actually looking for a restaurant where to eat. This bird is so pretty. Wow. On the pier at Redondo Beach. You can eat outside. They have all kinds of seafood you want. I got my bread bowl. I'm happy. Clam chowder, and they have the lobster biscuit too. That was the red soup. Ooh, so good. The ice cream store is open. Let's go have a banana split. And here's the fisherman's fishing, trying to look for a fish for the sunset. More seafood and more ice cream, but it's so cold, so I'm not gonna have one. We're just gonna go look around.